Hello. So it's time to work on logout. We are successfully logging in. Oops. We are successfully logging in. It's time to work on logout. So on the profile.php, here in the logged in part, I'm gonna create a logout button. I'm not creating here because um, if user is not logged in, then why will he need logout button? Only those users which are logged in will need logout button. Okay. So you can write here HTML. If you like to write HTML here, you can just close the PHP tag here, okay, and just open that tag again. Okay, between these two tags you can write your HTML. Whenever user will be logged in, this HTML between these two braces will run. Okay, between these two braces will run this HTML when user logs in. You can write the HTML by closing tag here, closing PHP here, and opening it again. Okay, so now let's write some PHP. I'm gonna say uh, why don't we just copy the wrapper here? What about the wrapper? Oh, forget wrapper. Just write a logout. When user will click on logout, he will go to logout.php and that page will log that user out. Okay, and refresh it. See, logout. But we want it to be in here. Okay, we don't want it to be collided in here. Okay, let's give it a little bit of style. Let's float it to the right, so it will be in here. Yeah, float right, padding 10 pixels, $40 pixels, and let's give it a background color of hash EEE and color hash 333 darker color, and let's remove the text decoration. Let's check how it looks now. Yeah, looks good, isn't it? Yeah, awesome. Okay, now it's time to create logout.php. Okay, there's only one thing that we need to do here. Okay, just one line of code, technically two lines of code. Oops, I hate this. Okay, you need to just stop the session underscore destroy the session, excuse me, destroy. We started the session in connect.php. Here we are removing that session underscore destroy. And one thing that you need to do here is use the header. Okay, here I'm gonna write location to login.php. Okay, now when user will log out, he will go to login.php again. Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, one thing that we also need to do here is start the session. Like I said earlier, that we have to start the session everywhere. Okay, even on the logout page. Okay, when it will go here, how it will know that session is started? It will say session destroy. Session is not started. How can I destroy the session? So we have to tell this page that session is started by writing session underscore start. Just write this. Okay, so let's refresh it. So now I'm gonna click logout. See, awesome. So let's go to profile.php. Now we are not logged in. Okay, let's see. It says you are not logged in. Okay, so hopefully you guys know how to create logout button. So in the next video we will protect the pages. Okay, what protect the pages means? Protect the pages means if user logged in, we don't want user to come to login.php or go to signup.php. So let me show you what I'm saying. See, user is logged in. Okay, we now don't want the user to go to login.php because the user is logged in. When user logs in, we don't want user to go back to login.php. Only we want the user go to back login.php if he's not logged in. Okay, see, user is logged in but he's coming back to login.php. We don't want that. Okay, logged in, we only want user to go to login.php if the user is not logged in. Now user can also go to index.php, which is the sign up page. We don't want user to come back to sign up page if he is logged in. Okay, so we will protect these pages in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.